everyone, welcome to this video. If you caught my last one, you'll see that Madame Glam sent me a little package for me to try out. I had the base coat, top coat, perfect black, perfect white, and bright honey, 50 shades of pink, and sea life. So I want to create something. I've swatched them already, that was in the last one, but I want to see, because obviously these are perfect proper Easter vibes, so I want to see what I can do with these. So yeah, I've already swatched them. This is them. Everything but this is just one coat. This was a little, you could get away with the one coat. It was a tiny bit sheer. But yeah, just one coat. And the consistency, oh my God, amazing. First, I'm going to start off with the base coat. Give them all a coat of that. Now, they only take 30 seconds in the lamp to cure. So if you're used to 60-second curing times, you're going to cut your time in half using the Madame Glam. And they are HEMA free as well. So if you've ever had an allergic reaction to any of anybody's gel products, you might be okay with these ones. Also have a discount code, a little coupon for the next time you're over there. I'll put that on screen now. Honestly, the consistency is flipping gorgeous. Love it. It just goes on so silkily smooth. Is that even a word? Silkily? Yeah, beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous consistency. Pop them in the lamp. No, nearly said 60 seconds. 30 seconds. So I'm going to start with the perfect white first on the ring finger. And it is such a bright white. I want to know if you've ever had Madame Glam products. If you have Madame Glam products, what you think of them. What's your favourite scary movie? No, what's your favourite colour? What's your favourite colour name? So I can go and have a look and I can purchase some more because, well, they're just amazing. They have won me over straight away. So I'm going to pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. And I am, just for the purpose of making sure that it's all opaque, I'm going to give them to all 2 coats. So that's curing in the lamp. Second coat is curing. I'm going to get some of the yellow. It's called Bright Honey. I'm going to put a bit of that on my palette. Not too much, don't want to waste it. And I'm going to get a dotting tool and a fine liner as well. So I've got the yellow on my palette and I've got a dotting tool. Oh, can we focus? Thicker end, thinner end, and a little brush. So I want to create some like little chicks. So I'm going to put a blob up here. I want it to be a bit of a bigger blob than my dotting tool though. So I'm just rubbing it in circles. Don't want them too big. So I'm just creating the circles first. The body. I'm sure I've got a bigger dotting tool. I'm just lazy. Try and get them all the same sort of size. I think that is enough actually. And then just at the very top, I'm not going to do a full circle. Just like that, so it's a bit like a half. I don't want them all facing the same direction either. It's just overlapping slightly, a bit like a snowman. Make it a little bit fatter. Yeah, that's a bit better. Okay, give them a cure, 30 seconds. So I'm going to mix a tiny little bit of pink in with that yellow. And I'm going to put a little bit of black on the palette as well. I'm hoping the pink and the yellow will make an orangey colour for its beak. Try and get more yellow. The smaller brush. Give it a good scoop. Okay. Now I want to do a tiny little beak on each of them. And I mean tiny. I've had my Weetabix this morning and several coffees. I should wear my glasses. Definitely should wear my glasses. Tiny little beak. I'm going to do tiny little feet. Are they called? What are they called? What are chickens' feet called? Do they have a name? Or are they just called chicken's feet? But I want it up on the body a little bit. So we'll do a line like that. And then 2 lines either side. And then I'm getting my tiniest ever dotting tool, going into that black, and I want to create the smallest eyes. Need a steady hand. Oh, so cute. So I've put 50 Shades of Pink and Sea Life on my palette, and I'm getting the same dotting tool I used to create the little chicks, but I'm using the opposite end. I'm just going to put some blue and pink dots on, just random. Easter vibes. I think that'll do for the pink. Clean my dotting tool off. We'll do the same with the blue. Yeah, I love that. So cute. I'm going to pop it in the lamp for 30 seconds and I'm going to give it a top coat. And of course I'm using the Madame Glam Soak Off No Wipe top coat to seal it all in. Such a lovely, lovely top coat. Beautiful consistency. Oh, you know what? If there was matte, it looks so good in matte. Matte top coated. Right, pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Okay, so I want this one. Index and the pinky are going to be white. So I'm going to do 2 coats of the perfect white. Give them a cure in between each coat. And then we're going to add, using the pink, the 50 Shades of Pink, the yellow and the blue, the speckly blue, create a nice little design using all 3 colours. And then we'll tie in that chick, you see, because we've used all 3 colours on that. And I'm going to create a lighter pink. So we'll have 2 different shades of pink, the yellow and the blue. I'll list all of these colours down below with all their links, all of Madame Glam's links for their Instagram, their YouTube, their Facebook, their Twitter. I will link their website. I'll add my code on screen and down below in the link, and down below in the description box. So you can get 30% off your next order. Amazing. Pop these in the lamp for 30 seconds, do a second coat, pop them in for 30 seconds, and then we'll do the design. So I have got the, oh, dipped my finger in it. I've got the 50 Shades of Pink, the Sea Life, 50 50 Shades of Pink, Sea Life, and a bit of white. Fucking life. And can add it to the white to make a paler pink. So I'll get me 2 nails back, and I want a striping brush. So what I want to do, I'm just going to mix these colours in first. Make a lighter pink just in case I want it a bit lighter. Now that's good. That is a nice pink. Okay. Oh, yellow. We want the yellow as well. Bright honey. I want a little bit of that. I want to use all the colours. Okay. And then I want it just off to the side a little bit. And I'm going to put the brush down, press down and drag. Let the brush do the work. Like so. And then I'll do another one just coming off. Okay. I'm going to do the same to the little pinky. Not exactly the same, I don't want the lines in the exact same place. Pull it down. Now I'm even shakier. Drag it off the nail. Okay, pop them in the lamp for 30 seconds, then we'll do the next colour. Right, so they've had a cure, so now I'm going to do the blue. Okay, let's make it a little bit thicker so we can get those speckles in. Okay. I'll do one more thin one on this side, next to this pink line. Okay, and I'll pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds while I do the pinky. So I'm going to top coat those 2 stripy ones. Did anybody else have bedding like this? Like those stripy ones back in the 80s and 90s? I had some just like that. Retro. Okay, top coat. So I'm going to do the thumb, the Sea Life, the speckled blue, like a robin's egg. I'm going to do 2 coats of that, and they'll need curing in between each coat for 30 seconds. And I know I keep saying it, but the consistency is a freaking dream. Thank you so much, Madame Glam. Okay, pop that in the lamp. Second coat. Beautiful. In the lamp. Okay, and the last nail. 50 Shades of Pink. Put way too much on there. If if you ever do that, if you accidentally put way too much on, splay the brush and it will start collecting back onto the brush. And then you can pop it back in the bottle. So give that 30 seconds. Right, that's had 2 coats. I'm going to jazz it up a little bit with some fucking glue. So I'm not going to use anything other than top coat to stick them on. I'm not sure how I'm going to stick them on. Probably just like a cuff or some detail. But I'm going to top coat it. And before curing the top coat, stick the crystals on and then pop it in the lamp to cure. Okay, so this is the final set. So we have the Sea Life, the 50 Shades Pink, the Bright Honey, and the Perfect White. The only thing I haven't used, oh no, I've used every single colour that they sent me. So yeah, I added some Crystal Parade crystals on there, a few caviar beads, and I love it. Cute little chickies. For Easter, perfect for Easter, little robin's egg. Yeah, really happy with these, really happy with these. Thank you very much, Madame Glam. Don't forget you can use my code. I will pop it on the screen now and link it in the description box below, along with Madame Glam's website and all the links to their stuffs and to my stuffs too. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Do hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you did like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let me know what your favourite Madame Glam colour is, and I will see if I can purchase it. Thanks, guys. See you next week. Bye.